Welcome to today's video about 250 to 609. Clarity Technical Specialist Exam Prep. What is 50 to 609? Clarity Technical Specialist. Who should take the 250 to 609 exam? 250 to 609 Clarity Technical Specialist Exam Details. Core Exam Objectives. Effective steps to master the 250 to 609 exam. 1. Which area commonly receives enhancements in Clarity platform updates? A. User interface design. B. Office productivity tools. C. Hardware device drivers. D. Operating system kernels. 2. Which step is necessary after installing the Clarity software? A. Configuring the cost, rate matrix. B. Setting up user roles and permissions. C. Running initial system tests. D. Customizing the project templates. 3. In Clarity, which of the following are crucial for managing the financial aspects of a project? Choose 3. A. Accurate resource allocation. B. Regular stakeholder meetings. C. Timely processing of WIP transactions. D. Defining clear financial properties for investments. 4. How can you validate that XOG is functioning correctly in Clarity? A. Reviewing OS registry entries. B. Running a sample XOG export or import. C. Restarting the web server. D. Creating database indexes. 5. How can you uninstall XOG from your system? A. Delete the Clarity software folder. B. Execute an uninstall script. C. Modify system registry settings. D. There is no uninstallation process for XOG. 6. A company wants to automatically grant certain access rights when a user is assigned as a project manager. Which blueprint feature enables this? A. Field level security. B. Business rules with security update. C. Automatic rights assignment. D. Project manager role configuration. 7. Which of the following is a necessary step when processing WIP transactions? A. Configuring financial attributes. B. Reviewing unposted transactions. C. Developing a risk management plan. D. Setting up user roles. 8. How are cost and rate values typically specified when building a cost rate matrix? A. Using financial classifications. B. By running XOG scripts. C. Through manual entry or import. D. By configuring network settings. 9. What is the primary purpose of financial organizational attributes in Clarity? A. To manage user access levels. B. To configure project templates. C. To define how financial data is categorized and reported. D. To track employee performance. 10. Which step is necessary before posting transactions to financials in Clarity? A. Setting up project templates. B. Defining cost centers and rate structures. C. Configuring user permissions. D. Creating risk mitigation strategies. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.